vibes. So di anata sa Kelpis Hub. So free ang parking nila. Yeah, free ang parking nila. That's very good. Tapos yan, Kelpis Hub. So aside sa horse ngayong makit-an diri, daghan ka makit-an nga birds. Oh, daghang klase. So daw murag nesting place nila. Look. Na, so swamp area. Murag swamp area. So kung nag-init-init pa ni siya nga lugar, daghan nig buaya diri. So either daghan ni diri yung buwan kanang og sa Ilonggo pa man og blaw nanog o kung Bisaya hindi daghan ni og sa may bitin. Daghan nig bitin diri, dagko makunda na. Do you know? Oh, swamp. Sus. Ito na lang. Yan. Diba? So, nawagin mo ni paborito sa mga yan, paborito na sa mga crocs. Sa mga anaconda o nagtilang tugnaw na. So may naapoy parkingan diri. Yeah. Car park yan. Yeah, may parking sa diri. Naging ritso pa. Kaya gulakat natin ito tayo park sa una. Nakawan yung mga kabalso. Oh, dako tayo ng horses. So, kamay sa libre sa the parking. That's very good. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the Kelps. Welcome to the Kelps. The horses. Naku, makabayo. Ito yung time niya. Pwede ka pa-boat. Alright. Good. Mga kabibes, mga pita muna yung background na to. So yeah, kape, makape sa Phelps.
Ano iba niya? Hindi niya tapos na magura yan. Hindi ko lang pa. Sa kami na nakita ko. Magutakat na mo sa Malta. Ako sa Malaga. Kami dahi.
Yep. So din ka makakita nga diri ka sa Kelps. Tapos may binangkal.
Original.
Courtesy of Ongsuko family. Binangkal.
May 750.
Right. Kape og binangkal. Perfect combination.
Hindi ang amo niya bulaw. May amo ko ni ginatag sa ako ni Ibon sang 50 kami. Tagaan niya si Margie.
Wow. Kalami sa binangkal kung ang background mo dagko nga mga kabayo, no?
Wala ka nga,
okay, crunchy siya. Ang iyabla si Sami, crunchy. Galing ginagwantal na to ng katugnaw gali di. Muna mga pita. Oh wow, that's very good. Maulanon mga ka-vibes, pero atong I saw something over here. Come with me, baby. Come with me, tour with me. Yeah, that's the best. Did you touch it?
There's a no, I can't. There's a water sign.
Huh? Okay. So it seems that you can go inside, but you cannot.
You can't go inside with the stuff.
Ah, okay. So, oh wow. So they put some. This is very nice. Summertime, you can just walk along, isn't it? Hmm. But we smell something. Really? Oh wow, look at that. Oh, there's someone. Okay, so diri na ta mga ka-vibes. Duol na kita kayo diri oh. Yeah, so pwede ang pagplasta sa picture. No. Sus, ko. Okay. Pili kayo di ka pa paduol kayo. Kada ay siya tubig. Yeah. So hard siya. Yes, skeleton but hollow structure. It's not very hollow. There's something that's supporting the inside. Yeah. Okay. So, unay usa. Ay kadua, para. Na, pikas. Pikas. Okay. So the entrance dito. Yeah. So, pwede nyo magunitan good. Na. Yung susunod. Pero kailangan tayo susunod, ha? Muna yung sulod niya. Na. Yeah. So we'll cut the horses. Okay. Huh?
If you want to knock the foot in.
Oh, there's some people over there. Good. We'll go there. Oh, naay mga tao sulod sa kabayo, guys. Sila ko rin repair. Pero maagi sa tadiryo. Oh. Wow. See? How old is this one? Spinners. So na ay mga tao sulod. You see? Yeah, they are renovating something. Yeah. Oh no! It's like there is not that. Oh wow! See? They're doing something inside. It's like, okay, there's some roof. So they are. I really thought na ginaano nila, may tawag ni. Okay, look. Oh wow. Thanks, Kelpis. Welcome to the experience. Hello.
How you doing?
Yep. So I really thought you were repairing something.
No, we've got people climbing to the mouth,
Oh, okay.
and they're doing it for charity. So they raise money for their charity.
Oh.
So yeah, you can climb all the way up. You see the map there?
Yeah.
So you can climb all the way up into the mouth. So maybe if you go over to where those stones are, you'll be able to see people in the mouth.
No, there's
Yeah,
only
yeah.
over there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And then they come back down, and then they abseil down the middle. Yeah.
How much you need to pay?
Well, it's raising money for a charity.
Right.
So each person in here now is pledged to raise £250. And that goes to the well, for today it's
That's
the
all it
Scottish charity for air ambulances
Air
to
ambulance.
help pick people up. Yeah.
Wow, thanks. That's very good.
Yeah.
Well done, well done. So is it everyday activity?
Not every day. So there's a website called kelpiesexperience.co.uk, and it's got a list of dates. And then if you get in contact with the charity, and they've got other places.
So you need to register there first before you come over.
Yeah, you register for it, and then you get
I
a
see.
place, and then you can take part. Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Eventually, we'll have more sort of public days where people that maybe don't want to raise money for charity can come and take part as well. But yeah, so
That's good. Okay.
do you want to have a quick look?
Just to be a look.
Thanks,
Can't go
thanks.
inside because you don't keep walking.
That's good. Well done. That's good. I really thought they were repairing something.
That's what I thought. I thought maybe the strong wind, somebody's going to fix it.
But they're climbing because there's some roof. And
Where's the
yeah,
highest guy?
I think they said they're going there.
Oh,
The mouth
no.
of the horses.
We don't eat that. That's too
Oh,
high.
that's good, isn't it?
We get to a bit there.
Okay. Okay, so nakabati mo mga ka-vibes, yeah? So, abi na to, may gina-repair sila. Pero wala di ay. So, they are doing it for charity. So, mag-climb ka. Naslay na set up ng mga roofs. Yeah? Tapos, ang last name mo ay sa ba dito sa kon. Ang ba sa, pwede ka dito sa ba sa kabayo. Yeah? So, tapos pagpuka na ka dito, so pwede ra ka mapanaog sa ilahang ginakaingon nga what you call this? Roping down. Is it roping down, baby? When you got your things going down? Yeah? That's it? Alright. Okay. That's good. I don't know. So lami gid diri mga ka-vibes og kuan kana galing summertime. Tapos pwede ka kalibot to. Yeah. Ha? Tanaw na to dito kung saan siya. Okay. So come here, baby, and then we will know. Over here. The trail begins here. Yeah. Okay. So the Charlotte Downtown Heritage Trail. So may trail siya. Yep. Welcome to the Charlotte Downtown Trail. Since 1803. Yeah. So this is onward. Helix Park is open in 2014. Okay. Alright mga kabaybs. So at least may gamay tang history. So pinili ay nahimo siya Helix Park. And open siya last 2014. Yep. So mo ni siya iyang set up niya. Oh. Yep. So gikan sa pre-1700 ang Falkirk area. Agrarian Society. Oh, wow. See? So taas-taas siya nga laki na, no? Summertime. Nami yung isda agor ka dito, naghanig tilapia ni. Okay. So drones under 5. Oh, okay, pwede tayo kaka-drone. Between 200, gagmay lang ang drone. Have your ID inspection. Oh, okay, so dapat keep the aircraft engine for climate zone. Okay. Alright. Okay. May Koreana ako di nga nakilala. O pag kagadiin niya Koreana ni. Oh, ari siya. Tika gwapa eh. Oh, na. Oh. Kagadiin siya. Kagadiin tamis. Haro siya ring adlaw o mga ka-vibes. Kung dire ka mo park, kaya murag may bayad, no? May charges sila, oh. Kaya kung dire ka mo park. So dito pa nag-park sa libre, di ba? Siyempre. Yari si unicorn. Hari sakit bala mo. Wow. That's very good. Okay, go. Okay. Alright, well done. Okay.
Nagsuka na daw.
So that's it. Okay. Wow. Very good. There's the park. Super. Just a park.
Wow.
That's it.
Down here.
Can't you? You can climb up there, Teddy.
Pagpastar nila sa ila bakod, oh. Oh, man. Stone tanan di ayo. Well done. Tapos kini bricks. Look, it's bricks. Ayun, mayang nga pag-design. That's very good. It's good. Two. Alright. Yeah, so this is the park. Okay. Yeah, the park. We got the hide over there. Oh wow.
Children's park.
Wow. Ito ba dito? Or shortcut na lang tayo. Ako muna nag-hapon. Paborito.
Kani ari na de sa makita na hindi kami. Bala sila.
Oh wow. This is cool. Yeah. Hindi. Amo na siya. Hindi. Baliktad. Amo na siya ng pasada.
Uy, tagay pa ka muna.
Amo na siya.
Papa mo na yun.
Oh, nan. Amo na siya. Yan. Oh, ride na. Sakay na.
Sige, may video ata kami.
Sakay na. Oh, wow. That's cool. Okay. So, yep, it's a good park. Sunog na kay mga bata. Gagmay pa. So, maayo dito nga park. So, malingaw yun ang mga bata. Tapos dire, yeah, summertime tayo ka aligure na dire. Summertime. Okay. So, I think you can do paddle over here. Or you can do swimming, I believe. No. Okay, so pwede ni Gordon. Yeah. Okay. Dako mo siya nga park. You can dance, every dance with a guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight.